Good morning, children. Yes, today, before we start the class, I would like to ask how all of you are. And I'm so happy, children, you 4th standard, you are taking part in all the competitions very well. Your video is yet to come. Your English competition you have taken, and it's so nicely presented. Thank you. Children, now let's go to today's topic. Today you have an interesting topic, 4th standard, that is environmental studies. Environmental studies. Today's date is, children, 7/8/2020. Children, in the last class I had told you about what is environmental studies. It is an interesting subject, and in this subject you will study many good things, like you will be studying about the animals, birds, plants. You will study about the safety rules, your life on this earth with family and things around. So as you go higher classes, you will be having more and more introductions. So making it more interesting, children, with the class you must also go through Discovery Channel. You must read some good books on the topic with the help of your parents. Now, because it is Corona, you cannot buy books. Don't make parents to compel, but you can use your TV with Discovery Channel, Animal Planets. These are the good channels which educate you. So don't waste your time in the movies, seeing the other things in the TV which is not entertained. Okay, so have a nice day, and let's go back to our lesson. Children, in today's topic we will be studying about the animals and their things, how they are moving around. They have also, last time I gave you the similarities. The similarities were that they were also want to have food to live. We also need food to live. We need air to breathe. They also need air to breathe. We need shelter. They also. So these things you have read, no, children. So today we'll take the topic further with the food. Okay. Now the food, what we are looking into the animal kingdom. Animal kingdom, children, that is different animals eat different kinds of food. Now you will be thinking, how, ma'am, they are eating idli, dosa, how they are eating pulao and biryani? No, we are human beings, we cook the food and eat. But animals, they don't cook. No, children, do they cook? Some of the animals, yes, dog, cat, they share some cooked food which are living with us, the domestic animals. But now the animals like wild animals, domestic animals, we can go with one by one. The first we will study about the domestic or the animals. See, animals that eat plants, grass and leaf. Now there are animals, not only cow, there are animals like buffalo, sheep, goat, rabbit. All these, they eat plants, grass, leaf and hay and all they eat. They don't eat anything like other animals. They depend on these as a food. You must have seen cow needs grass. Can you see? So children, you must be studying all this in this class. And what are these animals called? There is a term for us to learn in science. They are called herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals. Pronounce, children, herbivorous animals. The spelling is Herbivorous. Herbivorous animals. Okay, so this you must keep in mind because it will help you as you go higher. So the next we are studying is, you must have seen, no, lion in the zoo, tiger, so cheetah, then fox, wolf. So these animals, no children, they live in the jungle. And what do they eat? They don't eat except elephant, rabbit and all. These animals, no, they eat the flesh of the other small animals. They are hunters and they come like a wild cat at night. Now what are these animals? See, animals that eat flesh. So you must, when you think and when you study, you must write down, what are the animals which I have seen eat flesh? Make a list. So you will know more animals. Okay? So what are they called? Animals that eat flesh are called carnivorous. They are called carnivorous. How do you spell carnivorous? C-A-R-N-I-V-O-R-O-U-S. Learn the spelling. Okay, this will be a very important new word for you, but the meaning is which eat flesh. Animals which eat flesh are called carnivorous. We go to the third, that is animals that eat both plants and flesh are called omnivorous. This is a third category, children. They are called omnivorous. I have taken the picture of a bear. This bear, you must be knowing, you must have seen, they are black, brown, and sometimes in the polar you get white bear. So children, this bear eats both. It eats even the plants, it eats leaves, and also it eats the flesh of another animal. So you can learn this. This is your new terms, omnivorous, and I've already displayed to you the other one. You have to learn the spellings, and the spellings will be coming in your app, 4th standard app. I will give this definitions, but already it is there. You can make the list, make some more list of the animals and send it in your homework. Thank you. Have a great day and be safe. See you next class.